My favorite part about learning my program is definitely seeing how it's all made. Literally almost every industry has machining, and pretty much every company you can think of absolutely needs machinists at one point in the design stage.
We have quality machines and like 20, 30 of them, and they all get used. There's basically never a time where there's not a booth open. It's very rare. It's so worth it. It's actually so worth it because you get to have your own machine like for the day. It prepares you for when you have your own things. And there's no way I would ever have something like that without LWTech.
I have really seen many of my students grow in my program. They're coming up with their own designs. It's dynamic, it's hands-on, and they're learning a huge amount from it.
It's awesome, and honestly, it's really easy as long as you do your work. You can totally ask questions to any of the students there. Everyone I've met, super nice people, will absolutely help you.